User-defined attributes are an important feature of Evolve FM in that they let you add custom fields to the database. These fields allow you to track and report unique information that's not part of the default asset or space record. In the asset record shown, some of the UDA fields aren't really applicable to this asset. By employing Dynamic UDAs, you can avoid having fields show up on an asset or space form that might not be applicable to that asset or space. You might, for example, want to tag certain electrical assets with power-related attributes, and fire suppression assets with attributes that fire safety inspectors care about. Dynamic UDAs let you track and report the exact information you need. So here I'd like to show an example of how Dynamic Space UDAs work, and I'm in Evolve's Platform Administration component, and I've got a list of Dynamic Space UDAs here, and I'm going to open up this one, which is a checkbox that says that a space supports catering services. So I'm going to double click on that. And you can see the filters I put on this are that the space category has to equal business support and the space class has to equal meeting. So the idea here is that this particular user-defined attribute will only show up on spaces that meet the specifications here. And so if I go now to Drawing Viewer and we take a look at a particular space, and these two here are a good example. So this one here, you notice, doesn't have a category, but it does have a space of meeting. And if I open that record and scroll down to user-defined attributes, you don't see the supports catering UDA, where if I open up this space, which meets the criterion of business support and meeting, and I open that record, you'll see that the choice of whether or not it supports catering services is shown, and I can either check or uncheck it as I need to. So that's just one example of how you can use dynamic user-defined attributes to display the kind of information you need to on a particular space or asset. Thanks for watching.